Good evening. Just got another short unboxing video for you now. This I've had for a couple of days, but I've just been so busy I haven't had the chance to show it off. Okay. Here I have three watercolor pads from Arteza, and they're 30 sheets and they're premium. So yeah, this is basically all of my painting supplies because I am actually a keen painter. I will be doing all this in my spare time. So here I have, these are not like Arteza, but they're craft for all, and they're different paint brushes. So you've got thin, thick, curved, flicked. You get the ones with the gaps in it, look at that. So they're synthetic, and they work with acrylic paint, oil paint, and watercolor and fabric paints. They work with it, all of it. This is the big one. This is the big one. Arteza acrylic color paints, and there's all the colors you get on them. So there's loads of them, absolutely loads of them. So like there's white, yellow, red, orange, brown, purple, pink, blue, green. You get the idea. So it's all the colours of the rainbow basically, and yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show off. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share the video around. You know it all helps, and I'll see you for the next one. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.